It's no accident that Vancouver has earned the title of Tree City USA for the last 33 years. Our urban forest is a valuable natural resource consisting of all the trees and green infrastructure you find in parks, along roadways, in neighbors' yards, and natural areas across the city. The care and maintaining of this treasured resource is a collaborative effort of all community members and the city's urban forestry program. A healthy urban forest contributes not only to a more beautiful and livable community, it combats climate change, reduces energy costs, increases property values, and improves mental and physical well-being for everyone who lives and plays here. Today, Vancouver's tree canopy covers 19% of the city. Our goal is 28%. In 2023, we're updating the city's urban forestry management plan, which is a roadmap to increasing our tree canopy and achieving the urban forest of our dreams. Join us on Be Heard Vancouver to learn more and to share your priorities for Vancouver's urban forestry future.